Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve this video file can't be played error code 224003. So to resolve this problem, open Chrome browser. So to resolve this problem, first method, open Chrome browser, three dots, settings, search a hardware acceleration. Now turn on hardware acceleration. Just you have to select to on position this hardware acceleration and relaunch your Chrome browser and play your video. Hopefully this method will fix. Still you are facing problems, so try second method. Click on three dots, open new incognito window. Now here play your video. Third method, three dots, more tools and extensions. So here guys you will see some extensions. Remove or disable one by one and check. Hopefully after disable or remove some extensions, this error will be fixed. So you can try using these three methods. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not, and by these simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve this video file can't be played error code 224003. Thanks for watching. Please comment any method work for you or not.